Introducing the Scudo Favour Chrome Bath Shower Mixer with shower kit and wall bracket, a contemporary addition to any bathroom setting, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Perfect for those striving for a sleek and modern aesthetic, this deck-mounted gem has a stylish chrome finish and features a unique, rounded design. Its simple yet luxurious design embarks you on a blissful journey of relaxation with each use. Magnify the charm of your bathroom with this elegant and multifunctional investment. This bath shower mixer holds a lifetime guarantee, promising sustained durability and top-notch performance. It is enhanced with lever handles to control water temperature and flow, which bridges the gap between style and convenience. The product also comes with a handset, hose, and wall bracket for your showering needs. The Scudo Favour Chrome Bath Shower Mixer celebrates timeless beauty and flawless functionality, making it a must-have for modern bathroom interiors. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Favour range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.